In this video, I want to talk about how you can use leverage on Webull. To do this, we need to upgrade our account to a margin account. So what you should do is download the Webull app. It's much easier to do it from the app inside of the phone. In there, you want to head to your profile account settings. And what you want to do is look for upgrade to a margin account. So if you only have a normal cash account, you will see this option somewhere in your settings. Once you've done that, you want to apply for margin. So just follow the instructions on the screen and they will review your application. If you get accepted, then you need to deposit some money. And once you've done that, you can now buy stocks with leverage. So you might have 2x or 5x leverage. It depends on what you answer for the questions. And then you will now be able to use leverage on Webull. Now this is the easiest way to do this, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.